Mandate July, so then there will be further industrial action in June of this year, but from May we'll be balloting members again as we're all to refresh the mandate and introduce the prospect of further industrial action in the new academic year.
The government's called the walkouts disappointing. While we're talking about strikes, there's bad news for City and United fans alike. The day of the FA Cup final is due.
I'll hit my shoulder, bro. I said it's off the road.
The power imbalance between punters and operators. Police have cordoned off a road in Bury after a crash. It happened on Ainsworth Road this morning. A man in his 20s has been taken to hospital with serious leg injuries. Thousands of British nationals in Sudan who want to move now before we step out. The Foreign Secretary James Cleverly says further evacuation flights may not be possible once the ceasefire ends tonight. And Pep Guardiola believes City's next 3 games will dictate a lot about who wins the Premier League. The 4-1 victory over leaders Arsenal last night saw his side seize control of the title race. City announced.
With Greatest Hits Radio Premium. It's Greatest Hits Radio without the ads. Try it on our website.
Some sunny spells across Greater Manchester, but it's cloudier this afternoon with showers, highs of 12 degrees. That's the latest. I'm Sophie Merrick.
Good afternoon.
Kids Day.
Back in the 80s.
Got booster.